So I've got my massage gun here from Naplor. Now they were kind enough to send this to me to go ahead and try out and show you all the features. And this does have a special feature that I haven't seen in other massage guns. Typical massage guns have that allow you to reach to your far back, things that you can't normally reach without maybe an additional person helping you out. But it does come in a nice case here. It's all foam, everything's cut out, so all the pieces fit in there really well. It does have a nice little mesh catch or bag right here at the front, and it's all zippered up. Nice smooth zipper. I mean, these aren't cheap. These are just really nice. It's easy to grab here. Also has a handle, and we've got the massage gun itself. Now it does come with a charging cord here, which is pretty cool. And we've got 5 pieces here. We've really got 2 that are for your neck and along your back here. And then the other pieces here are going to be more for just really other parts of your body. Whether you want to pinpoint things, like this is really for getting those tight spaces. I've got some problems right here in my shoulders where it starts hurting for a while, and so I'll use this to get right in there. And then if I want to use some of these bigger pieces to get maybe my legs, my calves, my thighs, that's what these are going to be good for. Now the massage gun itself, I kind of call this a massage gun of 5. We've got 5 different angles, 5 different speeds, and we also have 5 different heads. Now, right here is where you're going to actually adjust it. You're going to press this button, and you can adjust this 5 different angles all the way down here. And when you want to put the head on, so for instance, I'm going to go ahead and put this one on. We're just going to line it up, and then we push it on in there, and you're ready to go. This is actually the charging port right here at the top. On the back side, this is our power button. Hold that down for a minute. It's going to light up. We've got 5 LEDs that light up, and these LEDs tell you what your battery level is. And this also has 5 speeds. Every time you tap that, it's on 1, 2, and it is going. One good thing about this, it does have a pressure of 45 pounds. So as you're pushing this into your arm, say for instance, I mean, it gets in there just really nice and deep. And there's a couple different ways you can use this handle here. Let me turn off for a second. Of course, we can use the handle this way. You'll notice there's lock and unlock. So right now the handle's locked. We just can use it like this. Or we can pull it out, turn it back, snap it in there. Now we can use it like this. Or we turn it all the way to the counterclockwise. So let me show you here. There's 2 different positions. Now we can go ahead and slide it out. I'm going to lock it back in there. Now we've got 3 different sections. So typically with a massage gun like this, you can get really just as far as your arms are, right, the length. But now I can put my arm at the end of this handle, which gives me an extra, almost like an extra foot. And you can see here, I can reach all the way to my lower back. I can get those hard to reach spaces. Sometimes I'm getting my lats, and I can only reach just right to the edge, but now I can go this way too. So that's what I love about this. We've got 3 different sections. If you didn't want to use all sections, you're just gonna turn it all the way to the left, push it up, and then make sure you get it all here nice and locked in. And this handle here is actually all aluminum, so it's really nice and strong too. And once you turn it on, if you haven't used it in 10 minutes, it has an automatic timer, and it's going to go ahead and turn off automatically to save the battery life. I find that a massage gun is very handy, especially when I have those knots and stuff in my muscles. I generally get them in my back, so this helps with that faster release, but it's really good. It kind of just loosen up some of those muscles, get those sore spots, and you can't go wrong with this long handle here that allows you to go ahead and get to those hard to reach places. So remember, we've got 5 angles, 5 heads, and 5 speeds. Hope you found this review helpful.